don't we love Yoda? What else did I need to say? I don't completely remember. Yes, I do. Hi guys, this is Connie, and this is a Sunday update. Yes, I took a lot of video way back in the day, so far back in the day that I could probably keep posting flashback videos for at least the next month. So that's what I've been doing. They have The Fault in Our Stars audiobook on YouTube. I will post a link for the unabridged version that I just found. So if you like actually hearing what a book sounds like with a professional, that's the link for you. If you still want me to read it, I will be happy to finish the book, but I stumble through it a lot. Let's see. This is officially titled A Stomach Growl Update. I've had some requests to attempt to collect more of my stomach sounds, and I swear when I actually tried, it was as if my stomach was camera shy. So I did attempt to collect some sounds, and these are those sounds. Also, I swear I got a really good sound, but because I was sitting right next to Mustachio, he says meh, and you can hear the beginning sound of the growl, and it just blends into the meh. So it kind of just was like, ah! But I did kind of loop that because I swear I can hear it. I don't know if anybody else will. So be careful with that and enjoy, please and thank you. And keep on letting me know what you want to see and hear. And here's that loop.
Oh me. Oh me. Oh me.